Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
I'm not gonna be able to hide it. Hello! Hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Legend of Korra Season 4, Episode 6. I just watched today already the episodes 4 and 5. If you want to see my reaction videos about that, I'm gonna put the links into the eye. I'm not gonna hide to you the fact that right now I'm really mad. I'm not mad at you, don't worry. I'm mad at one comment. Usually I'm really like, you know, with trolls and stuff like that, usually I'm deleting the comments really without thinking about it, but right there it's not really a troll, it's more someone who is frustrated, you know, and normally I'm not responding because I have a rule that I'm applying into my life, which is no time, no energy, no credit. When someone is doing something which is bothering me, each time I'm like, do you want to give your time, your energy, and some credit to that person? And 99% of the time, the answer is no. And it's helping me, you know, to just close the subject and to not think about that subject or that person anymore and to just not respond, not do anything, because I just don't want to give my time, my energy, and some credit to these persons, because these persons, they just want that. I'm just feeling sad, in fact, you know, for these persons. If you have time and energy to lose doing that, I'm sorry for you. So normally I'm applying that rule, and right there, that comment clearly didn't deserve my time, my energy, and my credit, but I couldn't not respond because, you know, I'm in advance right there for these videos. So when you are watching this on YouTube, I think that it's at the end of December, I think, something like that. And on Patreon, it's at the middle of December. Right there, we are at the end of November. I'm really in advance. It's logical for YouTube because on Patreon, we have 4 episodes of advance. And I'm taking some advance also on Patreon videos because of the fact that it's gonna be the holidays, you know, guys. So I want also to spend some time with my family and with my friends during the holidays. So right now, when I'm talking to you, it's a week. Maybe some of you are gonna remember it. It's a particular week for which I worked a lot. When I say a lot, it's a lot, because it's the end of the season 1 of Arcane, so 3 videos. It's the beginning of the Wheel of Time that I wanted to begin, so 3 more videos, in addition of the videos that I usually do for Death Note, Attack on Titan, and The Legend of Korra. And it's also Movies Week, so I also made reaction videos about American History X and Taxi Driver. So really, just on YouTube, during this week, you have 11 videos. Okay? 11 videos, and I'm not even counting the ones that I made, you know, for Patreon, extended or full reaction part for the same episodes, or even more episodes because you're in advance for Death Note, for Attack on Titan, for The Legend of Korra, and you have 1 month of advance for also the movies. Demanded me a lot of work to be able to give you all of that, because, you know, before that, I mean, just some months ago, I was like, you know, I'm gonna do my 5 videos each week and that's all, and that's okay, you know, the binge watchings, they can wait. They're not gonna have videos about it during this week, and they're just gonna wait 1 week, you know, during 1 week, no Attack on Titan, no Death Note, no The Legend of Korra, and they're gonna have the videos the week after that, and that's all, because these new shows are just out, and I need, you know, to be right on time for them, when for the binge watching, it can wait. Before, I would have done that, but right there, I decided to not do that during this month of November and December, because I know that a lot of shows are gonna be out with a lot of new seasons, and I didn't want you guys to not have the videos for these 3 other shows. Like, I knew that if I would have done that, during maybe 3 weeks or 4 weeks on these 2 months, you wouldn't have had, you know, your videos, the shows for which you are following me the rest of the year, and I didn't want to do that to you guys. So that's why since 2 weeks now, I'm working so much, like you can't even imagine how much I'm working to give you the usual videos in addition of the new shows which are out. And because of the holidays coming, I'm also taking a lot of advance to still give you videos during the holidays. I'm working like really a lot, and can I remember to you that this is not my work, you know, into my life, and that I have a personal life also, and that YouTube is really giving me ridiculous tips for these videos. Like when I'm saying ridiculous, it's ridiculous, really. I'm marking my words when I'm saying that. That's why each time in each videos I'm telling you that if you want to support me, go on my Patreon, because on YouTube you can like, you can subscribe, you can comment. It's helping me for sure. It's helping to make my channel grow, but for really, if you want to support me, if you want to help me really, like just to buy maybe a new micro for my camera or stuff like that, it's by supporting me on Patreon. That person, on that particular week, with all of this work that I made, commented something like, okay, so it means that we're only gonna have 1 episode of Attack on Titan, because usually it's 2 episodes of Attack on Titan. For this week it's 1 episode, and it's not even because of these new shows that I'm reacting to, it's because of the fact that it's movies week, you know, and on movies week, Friday, it's only the movie because it's long videos, and I don't want to put another video in addition of that. I responded to that person, and clearly I'm already regretting it, because I know that this person is not representing at all of you guys, and that all of you can understand all of the work that it demands me during this week. But right there I couldn't shut my mouth, and clearly I find my response really polite. If I would have had that person in front of me, I would have used really less polite words. Just never come back on my channel, because if you're thinking like that, if you're not considering me like that, if I'm just, you know, a service for you like Netflix or Amazon, you really don't understand at all what my channel is, and I don't need you to subscribe to my channel, to be there, to watch my video. I don't want your view. You see, I'm pretty mad right now, and I don't want to hide it to you, because I left you before that, you know, with the last video, the last episode. It was just 20 minutes ago. I left you in such a good mood, shipping Varric and Julie, and I'm finding you again right there with that mood, like I want to scalp someone. I'm not Netflix, I'm not Amazon, and even on YouTube, you know, I'm not a big reactor. I don't have the financial resources to only live with what YouTube is offering me. Like really, it's ridiculous, the tips that I have for my videos. That's why I made my Patreon, you know, so for all of the time that I'm spending on my videos, maybe I can have some money, you know, for it. And you know how much, you know, if you are following me since a long time, you know that during the 2 first years of my channel, I refused to create a Patreon. Each time that one of you was telling me, oh, you have to create one and all of that, I was responding to that person, no, I'm not gonna do it, because if someone has to pay me for my videos, it's YouTube. But you know, that channel, I really love it, making these videos, that community that you and we built on my channel, I really love it, and I want to please you. You know, it's not encouraging, you know, to receive that kind of comments. Like this week I gave so much for this week, and all of what that person is seeing, it's not enough. 11 videos on YouTube, if we're just talking about YouTube, and that's not enough. I'm doing all of that because I love it, but also to please you. So you can have new shows, but also the usual ones, so you're not gonna have to wait and all. And it's not enough. During some of the last nights, I'm not gonna lie, during the 2 last weeks, during some nights, I only slept like 5 hours, something like that, because I was just editing and editing and editing videos, so you could have everything, and it's not enough. I have no congratulations and to have someone being frustrated when I made everything that I can so no one would be frustrated. It's frustrating for me at the end. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if it's not the mood that you're expecting in intro of a video. I'm really sorry, you know that I'm not used to that. But I don't want to hide also my mood. I know that it can impact the way that I'm gonna watch this episode. But you know, it's also concerning my channel. And it's also concerning you. So I want to tell you also what is happening off screen, how I'm working, organizing myself, and the fact that I read all of your comments. I can't respond to all of you, but trust me, I read all of your comments, and sometimes some of them can impact me like that, even more, you know, than trolls or insults or stuff like that, because really, the fact that I worked so much so no one is gonna be frustrated, someone is frustrated and not considering me, it's frustrating for me at the end and it's hurting me. It's like that. Okay, I need to stop talking about that. I need to begin this new episode. Again, I'm sorry for the mood. I hope that this episode is gonna help me to improve it. Patreon, 4 episodes of advance, extended 4 action parts, usual business. Let's go for this episode. I really need to improve my mood. I think that I'm gonna eat my cookie during this episode. I don't want, you know, to write bad words and stuff like that. It's not who I am, it's not who I want to be. But sometimes it's really like, Battle of Zaofu? Are you kidding me? You're not gonna help to improve my mood. I can feel it.
Most of this army has been forced into service by Kuvira. If we take her out, they'll have no reason to fight.
Yes.
Tonight, we end her reign of terror. She's alone in there. Now's our chance.
I hope that you felt that right. Are we sure that it's her?
Julie?
That's a...
I knew you'd try sneak attack.
Luckily, I now have her and her assault team in custody.
No.
Rest
Your mom
assured
and your
that I will not
brothers.
take her as long as your remaining representatives meet me outside the city at dawn to offer the full and unconditional surrender of your city.
We have to go break out Mom and my brothers. You swore an oath of non-aggression when you became an airbender. You can't just attack Kuvira. Kuvira was just defending herself.
Come on! Cora!
Defending herself? She was going to attack our city. I can't believe you're refusing to fight.
Not fight, but find another solution.
Cookie jar empty.
No.
No hot towels. Waxy buildup. Julie!
You miss Julie?
Oh, she really is gone. You'll need your energy when you get to the re-education camp. I can't be expected to work without an assistant. Without Julie, I'm helpless.
If it's showing you how it works, what are you gonna do to Varric after that?
Bolin can assist. Wait, what? I need my hands. Hold on. Can we get breakfast first? While we still have hands?
Nah. Oh, I was gonna say trust Varric, Bolin. Trust Varric? I really said that? Weird.
Never! I'll never bow to you.
There must be some way for us to resolve this.
I've already laid out my terms, and I think they're very reasonable.
Oh!
Avatar Korra, you are interfering with internal Earth Empire business. They have been hoarding their riches and technology too long. I'm here to distribute those resources fairly throughout the nation.
That's
This
good
is about
words,
control.
good ideas, but it's not what you want, not
You
really.
have to stop this.
Rather than risk your lives, I will fight the Avatar one-on-one.
You will?
I want you out of my business for good. I'm the one who brought peace to the Earth Empire, not you. You're not relevant here anymore.
You're really arrogant and confident in yourself.
Right here, right now.
Milo, you're gonna have your fight.
Use whatever you want. All the elements, the avatar state, anything you need. I know you're a little rusty. Enough talk!
How can you be so confident?
Don't let her get you frustrated. She wants you to make a mistake.
Focus, Korra. Rage. Not the answer.
Pull in, do the thing.
What thing?
The thing! I never had to tell Julie what thing.
I'm not Julie, okay? Pretend I don't know anything. To scientists to pursue it as far as we can, wherever it leads.
How would you know? You couldn't discover a wolf bat if it was building a nest in your butt. Last time we ran the current through the vine, we couldn't control the power. So I'm trying something new to see if I can direct it.
On them? What is happening, Korra?
We have to help her.
No! Stay back! I can handle this.
I first got the idea for harnessing spirit power when I watched that giant Unalak monster attack the city from my jail cell. That giant monster
Are
set
you
me
gonna
free.
make it explode?
Trust me, kid, I know what I'm doing.
I trust you, Varric. It's so weird for me.
What's that ticking?
That's the timer.
The timer for what?
A
For
bomb.
the bomb, of course.
What?
It's gonna explode in 5 minutes and destroy this entire train. All of the spirit vines and everything else within a few hundred yards.
Yes, you're not gonna be able to use that.
You're bluffing. Stick around 5 minutes and you'll find out who's bluffing. You'll be sorry you left me, Julie! He verricked himself because some girl Julied him.
Enough! What makes you think we'd let you blow yourself up?
You have feelings
You're
for
working
her.
for Kuvira.
You try to pull me away from this thing and I'll hit this remote and blow it immediately.
Why do you have a timer and a remote?
Then I
Good
got a
plan,
remote.
good plan,
Then I
Barry.
thought, well, now do I really need the timer anymore because I got a remote in my head? Whatever! I'm covering all my bases. The point is, you're leaving, we're staying.
You have to go into the avatar state. Do it!
She didn't want. It's not fair, you know, in a way.
I knew you were weak.
No, 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 no. Her visions into the swamp. She knows that what you're doing at the beginning it's based on.
You broke our agreement. Attack!
Girls?
Keep them back. I'm calling for help.
And again, Jinora saved Korra.
Help! You have to get Cora and the rest of us out of here now. Hurry! Finally, let's get it on.
Bye bye. And now? Why are you bluffing or not?
Man, that was great!
Oh, we can't turn it off. We're gonna blow up. But we had a pretty good run, right?
I'll see you on the other side, Julie.
No.
I want you to know I hate you.
Yeah, but I'm gonna save you. You did a good thing,
I
Varric.
can't believe he actually blew himself up.
You did the thing! Mwah!
I can't believe Julie worked for you as long as she did.
Out of here! We'll be fine! Just go!
I'll be back for you. I love you.
You're not gonna kill your mom.
Zalfu is ours! Bring the citizens of Zalfu to kneel before the Great Uniter. All who pledge their loyalty to me will keep their freedom. The rest will be imprisoned as traitors, like Su Beifong and her sons.
Bow to her! Do it! She is your rightful leader!
You're talking like that to your dad?
I'm so disappointed in you, Julie. Get your hands off me! You're crushing my individuality!
All hail the Great Uniter!
The new dictator. Tough? Time to intervene, no?
The way they survived. How would you like to help Batar build the most powerful weapon the world has ever seen? It would be my honor, Great United.
I trust you, Julie, I trust you. She's
I'm dismantling the domes.
No. She's a double agent, you know, Julie. I can't. No. I learned about her feelings for Varric in just the last episode, but 5 seconds after that I was ready to ban it because it makes really sense with all of what happened during all of these seasons. Finally I had my response about why you still working for the game. So that's why I can't believe that she would switch, you know, just like that, Julie. And even if, you know, I would have bought the part with I don't want to work with you, you're mistreating me, stuff like that. After that, her bowing like that in front of Kuvira and being like, I'm gonna serve you, you and only you, you're so good, you're so great. No! I'm sure that, no. Can you believe this? During this episode, I said at least twice, I trust you, Varric, and now I want to say, I trust you, Julie. I'm putting my hope on Varric and Julie. I trust them. How did we end? Right there. The situation is so bad. Korra fought against Kuvira and she lost. Korra, she lost. The Avatar State won. But Korra, all by herself, she lost. And that hallucination, you know, that she had during that moment, seeing herself on Kuvira. You know, if I think about the fact that it's hallucinations, it's like the ones that she had before into the swamp and all of that, I'm thinking about what Toph said and the fact that your enemies at the beginning, they had good ideas, they wanted equality, they wanted people to be equals and to be free, but they did it the wrong way. And that's why villains are becoming villains, you know, that's why these people who wanted the right thing are becoming villains, because they are not using the good ways to fight for their ideas. And right there at Kuvira, it's the same in fact. So if I just consider that it was an hallucination, I can think of that reason why. But to see yourself into Kuvira, it's yourself, you know, that you're seeing. Like you're hurting yourself. It's not only herself, but it's the Avatar State also that she's seeing. I don't know what it means. So she's out of Zaofu with Tenzin's kid and Oprah, but all of the rest of Su's family are right there in Zaofu, arrested. She's not gonna kill them, you know, Kuvira, because she needs them, or at least she doesn't want to kill them. Like, it would not be great for her to have them being killed. She's acting like she's doing all of that in a diplomatic way, like she's offering people peace and she's offering them solutions before really going for a war, for a battle. Like, if she wants to continue like that, to act like this is a diplomatic thing, she's doing the right thing and all, she can't kill them. Like, for how she's standing in front of the Air Nation, Republic City, the Water Tribes and all of that, like, if she wants to stand like that, like the legal, official, great uniter. I'm sorry, I just said putain, like, fuck. If you really think about it, even the words that she's using to say all of that, that she's talking about building an empire, uniting that empire, when in fact it's conquering territories to build an empire, the great uniter, and people, you know, who are saluting her with all hail, Kuvira, the great uniter, like manipulating people, forcing people to make a deal with you, threatening them by force or by I'm not gonna help you so you're gonna die because of that because you're so weak, sending people to re-education camp. Fuck, that's a dictator. Like Bolin and Varric, their story right there was fun. Varric did the right thing, making all of that explode. It was the right thing. Okay, they can rebuild it. We saw that at the end of the episode, but at least he bought a lot of time. Varric, he did the right thing. Varric did the right thing. He talked so much about Julie, about the fact that she was missing, she could have been useful, she was the one to understand him without even talking. Do you have feelings also for Julie? Oh fuck, really, I ship them. It took me really 2 minutes to ship them. So now what? You're gonna go to take other vines? Are you gonna meet Toph doing that? Or at least it's gonna be the good way for Toph to know that something is wrong and to intervene, finally, to come, to join the world. You took Zaofu, so now do you have really all of the empire that you wanted, or do you need to conquer other territories? Korra and the other ones, they're gonna come back to Republic City maybe to inform everyone of what just happened, and you're gonna need to find a diplomatic solution or something else to fight against Kuvira. Korra, she needs also to understand that, you know, about the fact that her enemies all along these seasons, they were denouncing something which is true. Badly, but still. I'm gonna stop this review right now and I'm gonna watch one more episode today. It's all for you for today and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye. And I didn't eat my cookie.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Crazy.